Most people in America work hard every single day, yet they still feel financially stuck. They wake up early, they go to work, they collect a paycheck, and then they repeat the same cycle again. But wealthy Americans do something very different. They don't just work for money. They build systems that make money work for them. In this video, you'll learn exactly how they do it, step by step. Part 1. The hidden problem. Here is the truth most beginners don't understand. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you don't have financial freedom yet. You simply have a job. Now, jobs are not bad. Jobs pay the bills. Jobs give stability. Jobs help you start. But jobs have one serious limitation. Your time is limited. You only have 24 hours in a day, and you can only work so many hours. This creates what experts call an income ceiling. No matter how hard you work, there is always a limit. And this is where most people get stuck for years. Part 2. The wealthy mindset shift. Now let's look at what wealthy Americans do differently. Instead of focusing only on income, they focus on assets. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket without requiring your daily time. For example, dividend stocks can pay you regularly. Rental properties can generate monthly cash flow. Online businesses can run even while you sleep. Notice the pattern? The goal is not to work harder forever. The goal is to build income streams that continue with less effort over time. This is the mindset shift that changes everything. Part 3. How income systems actually work. Let's simplify this so every beginner can understand. Think of income in two categories: active income and system income. Active income requires your time every day. System income requires your setup first and maintenance later. At the beginning, building systems does take effort. This is where many beginners get confused. They expect passive income to be instant. But in reality, smart Americans know this rule. Work hard once, so the system can work for you later. Over time, the system becomes stronger, and your dependence on trading time for money becomes weaker. Part 4. Beginner Action Plan. Now let's talk about what you should do next. If you are just starting, follow this simple path. Step 1. Control your spending and build a small savings base. Step 2. Start learning basic investing even with small amounts. Step 3. Build one simple digital or financial asset. Don't try to build 10 things at once. Focus on one. Step 4. Reinvest whatever profits you generate. This is how compounding begins. Step 5. Stay consistent for at least 12 months. Not 12 days, not 12 weeks, 12 months. Because systems reward patience, not impatience. In the end, remember, the poor work for money, the middle class works for salary, but the wealthy build systems. Start small, start smart, but most importantly, start now. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Smart Wealth USA for simple, powerful financial lessons.